The watches that are shown in this video and or any watch that I review on this channel are not counterfeit. I do not and will not ever knowingly review any counterfeit watches on my channel. YouTube policy defines counterfeit items as follows. Counterfeit goods contain a trademark or logo that is identical to or substantially indistinguishable from the trademark of another. And YouTube also defines further that they mimic the brand features of the product in an attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. None of the items I review on this channel meet either one of these requirements. I do not review items that are identical in any way to any brand or that attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. These items are all purchased legally and are publicly available to anyone to purchase themselves. To the best of my knowledge, all of the watches that I review are made by companies that have done their research to make sure that the items they sell are legal. I do not produce these items, I only review them. Once again, the watches you see in this video and any watch you see on this channel reviewed by me is not and are not counterfeit items as defined by YouTube policy.
Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. And before we get started today, I just wanted to say thank you to all my current subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you guys so much. Thank you so much for giving the thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, and believing in my content. I'm so happy that you guys enjoy this content, and I'm going to keep it coming at you. And if you're new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. You will not see the high-end luxury brands on this channel. You will not see any counterfeit watches, but you will not see the high-end luxury brands. You will see homage watches and watches that do pay tribute to the higher-end luxury brands, but you will not see counterfeits on this channel. So if that's what you're looking for, go to the next video. If you do like this content and you want it to keep on coming, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches in the budget-friendly range and you want to see more watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman and themselves.To. If you want to check out themselves.To, head on over. You can see all the watches that I review here on YouTube, and you can also see affiliate links to all of these watches. So if you want to get these watches for your collection, you can just click on the affiliate link. It does send $1 or $2 over to me from every sale. I am not sponsored by anyone, but I do receive an affiliate commission if you do use that link to purchase your watch. It doesn't cost you anything more, but it does send $1 or $2 to me over from each sale, and I do appreciate that very much. So without further ado, let's get into the watch that we are featuring in today's review video. It is a SEIKO SSK005 GMT. And guys, it's automatic and it is a beautiful watch. This thing is very, very well constructed, much like all of the other Seikos. Seikos are just magnificent watches. Very, very wonderful. This has the Jubilee bracelet, the 5-row Jubilee bracelet. Wonderful, wonderfully constructed with the safety on the adjustable clasp. It is a very, very well constructed watch. Seiko, you can't go wrong with. The thing that I do love about this watch, and I'm not a huge orange watch fan. I prefer the blues blues and the greens as opposed to the orange. But this one's a really, really sharp looking watch, guys. And if you can kind of see that, it's not a flat orange, but it's not an overly reflective. But it does have some reflection there. I think it's kind of hard to. It's kind of hard to show you in the video, but it's kind of got the finish of maybe like an orange soda can is probably the best way I could describe it. Like that really shiny kind of aluminum look to it. Like I said, it's really hard to get it to do it on the video, but I can see it. I can see it personally, but I can't make it do it on the video for some reason. So basically what I'm trying to say is it actually looks better than it does here in person, and it looks great here on the video. So can you imagine what it really looks like in person? But it's got a really kind of shiny look, but it's not over the top. Like I said, it is a GMT, so it keeps times in 2 different zones, utilizing the GMT arm. It's very, very nice. It's got the sweeping second hand. You can see that sweeping away there. And it is an automatic with the exhibition case. And you guys know that if you've seen my other videos that I really do love an automatic watch with the exhibition case. I mean that, and they do a great job. They put the logo right on the counterweight. Really, really nice watch. So this watch right now, it's the only thing I don't care for about this watch, but maybe you like that. It does have the bidirectional bezel. I prefer the bezels that only go in one direction, the unidirectional bezels that have the ratcheting sound. But Seiko does have these bidirectional bezels, but they don't make the clicking sound, and they are so smooth. Like that is one thing I do like about it. It is a very, very smooth feeling turn on that bezel. It's very, very comfortable and a very satisfying feel when you're turning the bezel. The only thing I don't like about it is it goes both ways. I'd rather have it just go in the one direction, but we've gone over that before in my other videos. But other than that, I mean, the lume on this thing is amazing. You hold this thing up to the light and it really, I can't simulate it here, but it's very luminous. It's a very, very nice watch. This does have 100-meter water resistant. It is the date just format, so it doesn't tell you the day, but it does have that magnification window for the date. And of course, the minute hand has to be directly in the way. There we go, right when I'm trying to go over the date. Okay, so it does have a magnification on the date window. Very, very good quality Hardlex crystal on this thing, and it's got the 4R34 caliber movement, which has 41 hours of reserve on it. Wonderful, wonderful watch. And for the price, this thing is less than $300 on Amazon right now. $300. You can add this to your collection, and it is a wonderful, wonderful watch. And you guys know SEIKO is a great brand. They're just wonderful watches. Very, very good, especially for this price. You're going to get a really decent SEIKO watch for under $300. Very, very nice. I will actually post a link to both of these watches in the description below, because I think if you have a collection and you like SEIKO, to have both of these watches in your collection would be really, really nice. I'm happy with both of these watches. They're both great watches, great quality watches. I can't really say anything bad about it, honestly. The only thing, like I said, the only thing I don't like is that bi-directional bezel, but I mean, come on. In all reality, that's not a deal breaker. That's just a personal preference. So, like I said, I will be posting a link to both of these watches in the description below, so you guys can head on over to Amazon. And like I've said before, with Amazon, you're pretty much risk-free. If you get it and you decide you don't like it, Amazon Prime has an awesome return policy. It's no hassle. You just tell them you don't like it, and they'll take it back 95% of the time, 99% of the times. No problems, no questions asked. So you really don't have anything to lose when you're buying on Amazon. So I will post the link to the Amazon page for both of these watches. They are affiliate links, like I said before, so they do send a couple of dollars over to the channel. If you decide to buy it, it doesn't cost you anything more to use those links, but I do get a cut out of the sale if you decide to use the affiliate link and purchase your watch through that affiliate link, and I do appreciate that very much. So without further ado, I just want to tell everybody thank you so much again for everything that you've done, all the likes and subscribes. I could not appreciate my subscribers more. You guys are the ones that make this channel move, and I do appreciate that very, very much. Until the next video, I do have some more watches that I'm going to review. I'm going to be reviewing this one in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And I do have a couple of other watches that I'm going to review. I'm going to be comparing these two watches. We've got a Casio and a Timex. Let's see which one's better than the other. So stay tuned for that. And I do, like I said, I have more watches coming in every single day. And this is what I do, themselves.To. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman. So until the next time, I will see you in the next watch review video. You guys have a great day.